Fellow Nigerians, my name is Timothy Abiodun Olatokunbo Tubiyele. I followed the demonstrations. Some turned riotous. Some of the demonstrators were arrested. I learned they are now being charged for treason. I have to be honest. I am yet to see the charge sheet. But I heard a top functionary of the present government address the world that demonstrators tried to overthrow the government of the land and that they should wait for a change, wait for the next elections. I heard on a video a top lawyer, I think he's acting for the government. He said that demonstrators are being sponsored by foreign interests. I believe these demonstrators are being tried for treason just to deter other Nigerians from demonstrating. Demonstrators claimed that they were demonstrating against hunger in the land, which is real to many Nigerians. They claim that they were demonstrating against bad governance. When and how can demonstration against bad governance and hunger in the land turn to treason? I am pleading with the Honorable Attorney General, Chief Lateef Fagbemi. I have never met Chief Lateef Fagbemi in person. I've seen him at a distance in a party, but I've never met him in person. I was told that he was called to the Nigerian bar in 1985. In 1985, I was a junior lecturer at the Nigerian Law School, Victoria Island. I can't remember Chief Lateef Fagbemi as my student, but I can remember some of my students who were his mates. I remember Honorable Ogala, Babatunde Ogala, SAN. He was my student. I remember Chief Femi Fani-Kayode. He was my student. I taught Chief Femi Fani-Kayode Nigerian legal system. I taught lawyers who trained in foreign university. I remember Niyi Owolade, former Deputy Speaker, Osun State House of Assembly, former Commissioner for Health, Osun State, former Attorney General, Osun State. I remember Bola Ladna, the daughter of the law legend, Harry Ladna, who is now the managing director of one of the foremost banks in Nigeria. Ruth Banham. No, there's this other lady. Two of them studied abroad. They were newscasters on TV. That's almost 40 years ago. I've forgotten their names. So, Chief Lateef Fagbemi, I was called to the bar in 1980. I'm your senior at the bar. I am pleading with you as your senior. I am pleading with you as your teacher. Please, if it is true, I will be happy if you deny all that I've said. Withdraw these charges. Demonstration is not treason. Don't keep these children. Don't keep them in the cell. They'll probably be there for another 2, 3, 4, 5 months, even 1 year, because all you want to achieve, this government wants to achieve, is to deter demonstration. Then after some time, the charges will be withdrawn. Show mercy. You are a member of a honorable society. Don't play the wheel of politicians. You did not get to the office as any other politician. You are a lawyer indeed. I plead with you. Then what is the solution? Some people have said they want to go on demonstrations again. 1st of October, please do not demonstrate.